Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Schlage smart lock not working after a battery change in 2026. So after replacing the batteries, even a small mistake in the placement or the contact can stop the lock from working. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to simply remove the battery cover. After that, you need to take out all the batteries. Now reinsert them correctly following the plus and the minus markings. Just make sure that all the batteries are new and of same type, which is alkaline recommended. Then close the cover properly and see if it is working again. Now, if the issue still persists, you can try our second fix, in which you just have to do nothing but to just use the correct battery type. Now, Schlage locks often don't work properly with rechargeable or mixed batteries. So you need to use only the fresh alkaline batteries. Avoid the rechargeable batteries. Do not mix the old or the new batteries or replace all the batteries together. After battery change, the lock may lose sync or freeze. So you can remove the battery pack. Then you can simply press and hold the Schlage button. After that, you can reinsert the battery pack while holding the button. Wait until the lock flashes or beeps. Then you can release the button. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.